Everyone poops. That will we read on the next one.
Yep. We've read that book lots of times, haven't we?
But we have to read it tomorrow.
Well, it's at the library now. We'll have to go get it again, okay? Okay?
Why don't you put it at the library?
Well, it wasn't our book. It was the library's book. We had to return it. It was due.
But how's it sold that time?
It's not closed. We'll probably have to go there tomorrow.
How's it sold at nighttime? Huh? How's it closed at nighttime?
Well, it's open now. You want to go now?
Uh-huh.
Sister's sleeping. We can't.
You're just teasing.
I kind of was, yeah. We'll go tomorrow. I love you.
What time will Audie be stumped being in bed?
I don't know. Whenever she wakes up. I love you.
I guess you'll wake up.
I love you.
I love you all day long.
I love you all day long, too. You say Mouse makes a tiny poop?
I love you on poop.
Yeah. That's funny, huh?
How do they write on that book?
I don't know. One of your many questions you ask often.
The printers write it there?
Yes.
Why the printers write it on every book? How the printers, why printers write everything that they write everything that writes on books and stuff.
That's just what they use to write. That's what they use.
But I want them to have a printer to write something. I want them to have 0 printers.
Then you would have 0 books.
Huh?
We would have 0 books if there were 0 printers. People would have to write it by hand, and that would take a long time. Okay?
Alright. I love you all day long.
I love you too.
This camera's new and I like this cup back there that has water.
The cup is new, the camera's not.
Lovely.
Yeah, your new cup. Alright, bye.
In this camera, I mean.
That's a pencil. What do you mean camera?
Pencil. Pencil's new too, I like to have something. And it's very sharp.
It is sharp, so be careful, okay?
Not to put in my eye.
Well, yeah, I don't want to poke it anywhere, it will hurt. But your eye especially. So but we don't want it in your eye especially.
Because my eyes are specialty?
Yes, your eyes are special too, yes.
You are a pet.
Goodbye, Brendan.
Goodbye, on this camera.
I love you.
I love you all day long. Everyone poops.
We'll have to go to the library and get it.
On there.
Okay, we'll watch it, okay?